everyone, and welcome back to
Skirt Squad.
And in today's video will be our next
Skirt Squad challenge. This is number 14.
Yes.
So today we're going to be doing laundry in a skirt. We have again featured in this one Tabitha Kelly from This Mama's House, and go check out her channel. We'll have it linked down below. Subscribe to her, and thank you, Mrs. Kelly, for helping us out in this video.
Yes, thank you very much.
So let's get into this one. This Mama's House YouTube channel was created by a wonderful Catholic mother to 5 children, soon to be 6, Mrs. Tabitha Kelly. She has cook with me videos, cleaning motivation, day in my life, homemaking videos, and helpful everyday tips for busy moms. If you're a mother yourself or soon to be, then check her videos out. If you are even single, her videos are even fun to watch and give you great advice on how to cook and clean. After watching this video, make sure to go check her out and subscribe to her amazing channel. We will have the link below in the description. Thank you, Mrs. Kelly, for helping us out in this video.
Well, there you have it. You can clean in a skirt.
Yep, do laundry in it. So I think she might have been, I don't know if she was wearing a skirt or a dress, but either way, skirt, dress, we all mean the same thing, and cleaning, and you can do it while still being modest. So next time you do laundry, do it in a skirt or dress. You can actually do it, so you just stand there and just toss laundry in. So
Yes.
So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel, share it with your family and friends. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you do laundry in a skirt. Oh, and if you're wondering, the thing on my lip here, that was just a cold sore. So I don't have food on my lip or chocolate or anything. It's just a cold sore that's going away. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope you guys are having a holy and blessed Lent also.
Yes.
We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yes. Thank you guys, and God bless.
Bye.